Hi, this is Kuovonne here with a pair of scripts for picking a random record to put in a linked record field. So here I have a very simple base here with two tables, and in one table I have a linked record field that is linking to the other table, and here, just for simple purposes, it's just a bunch of numbers in here, and every other one is an odd number. And the idea is, say I have here a record and I want to put in a random record in here. So one script can be run from a button. I click the button, the script runs, and it puts in a random record. I can click it again and I'll get a new random record. Of course, sometimes we like doing things automatically, so there's also an automation script that's set up. Here I just have this set to run when this trigger automation checkbox is set, and then it runs this script. So for here, if I want this to pick automatically, I click the checkbox, I wait for the automation to run, and it picks a new random record for me. Now this is set up so that it can also be limited to just the records in a particular field. So for example, if I want my linked record field to only pick from the ones that are odd numbers, when I click this here, you'll see that when it runs, it will only pick an odd number. Here, if I run it with an automation again, it's going to change it and it will always be an odd number. The script is fairly simple. There's just two things that you need to go in the settings. You pick the table that you're going to have the button in the linked record field, and you pick what the linked record is. And the script automatically determines what is the other table and is it restricted to a view or not. The automation setup is a little bit different. For the automation, again, it's just a script, but this one has two input variables. One is the record URL of the triggering record. Notice this is the record URL, not the record ID. That's because I'm going to be grabbing more information than just the record ID, and all that information is available in the record URL. And then we also need to know the name of the linked record field. So here you just type that in, make sure that it matches exactly, including upper and lower case. The script itself, you don't have to make any edits in. You just paste that into the editor. There you go.